What is going on, guys? As you can see, I have an Xbox 360 Slim, and this one we have a fun little project. This guy. What this does is you can literally load any audio file you want to this, and it can boot with different sounds, just like a limited edition Xbox 360. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, let's just get into this. This will be fun. Hopefully this will make it a little easier for me. I don't know. But we're just gonna clip off. Nope, that doesn't work. Alright. Just clip all these off. Tricks. If you ever have a bridged contact, that's the way to do it. Heat them both up, pinch them. Okay, and then, yeah, not the most stellar cutting abilities, but I think it'll work. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, man, this stuff is just woo, sticky. Sticky. Okay. I was gonna use this other stuff, but I don't know. Kind of deciding against it. There we go. That's a good one. Alright, and then got switched around. That was fucking me up. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so here we have the chip all wired in. I had an issue with this cable right here. For some reason, it just would not supply the 5-volt power, but I swapped it out with a different one and finally got it. So up here I have South Park and I have the Gears of War, because I love Gears of War. So I already ran it just to make sure, but this is literally all you do. Flashing run, compare, done, ready. And then we'll go ahead and unplug it. And there it is. So hopefully I can show this, but really, so we got 5-volt ground, chips right here, got the speaker glued in right there. The wires are just kind of hanging out, but yeah, no, this was a fun project. I'll definitely have to do this for some other consoles that I have. I do have a fat Modern Warfare one that I might do, and I will probably list that one up on eBay. I'll probably do a glitch light because it is RGH 1.2. So if anybody is interested in that, just give me a shout, and I'll speed that up. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. This is a blast, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.